Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, John Halley. I'm just doing some trading today myself. I normally trade for a few hours in the morning myself. Actually, I live in Australia. So for me personally, I like to get up in the morning and look at the US market, look at the US stocks, look at the S&P, and then I start to look at all the other currency, or like look at the Forex pairs, look at some cryptocurrencies, and futures markets and stuff like that as well too. So as I'm doing a trading right now, I've been watching gold. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. You can see this is actually the live market of gold right now. And it's actually, oh, look at that. How good's that? Oh geez, I'm just... and so I'm watching gold right now as I speak, and there's a really, really, really powerful pattern that's actually forming right now. And I just wanted to share it with you. We could be forming a very strong bottom here when it comes to gold. Gold could be getting ready for a really big move to come. And so let me just share that with you. Let me actually go to the daily chart first. Again, this is a different software, guys. If you've seen this, if you've seen the black background, this is my futures and Forex and crypto platform that I use. I use the TC2000 for the stocks and so on and so forth, and then I normally use my interactive brokers platform to trade those different markets and so on and so forth. So anyway, so looking at the gold market, as you can see, this is the daily chart here with gold, and we can see that looking at gold, there's a very strong area of resistance, right? And let me see if I can bring this here. Right there, okay, so you can see that area there, and I'm going to change that color. All right, so I'm going to change the color to, all right, let me change the color to say yellow, okay? So I'm going to change the color to yellow just so we can see the differences here, okay? So let me take that off the screen now. So that's the yellow one. So you can see the daily chart. Let me now go down to the 4-hour chart. Okay, so you can see this yellow line here is what? That's the significant low level there, right? So here's the thing. We had support, we broke down, came up, hit the area of resistance, and now we come back down again. We're looking at the 4-hour chart right now. And actually, there might be a trade that's just about to confirm. How good's that? It's setting up too. So we can see that I'm watching my other screens. I've got multiple screens and I'm watching the screens. There might be a trade setting up in a minute. So I better finish this off so I can focus on that there. So anyway, I wanted to share this with you. So looking at gold right now, we've got a lot of moving averages, but let me just hide these moving averages for a minute because I really want to share something with you. If we start to get a really strong bottoming pattern here, remember this is that significant low level here on the 4-hour chart. Now, here's the thing. Looking at the big weekly charts, okay, we're starting to get a very sort of strong sort of level through here. What I mean by that, we're starting to get a low, a higher low, a higher low. This could just be what? Another higher low in gold. We're starting to get some stair-stepping fashion, high, high, higher, high, higher, high, right? So we're actually starting to get that sort of stair-stepping fashion, and then that sort of upward movement, as you can see, right? So that's what we're getting right now on the big weekly charts, okay? The big forest from the trees is doing what? We're starting to build strong momentum behind that, and that's what we're seeing through there when it comes to that. So if we go down to the daily charts now, you can see this here could be what? A significant low on that weekly charts. Okay, and now I'm going to go deeper into more. I'm using multiple time frames now. Now I'm going to go deeper into more into the 4-hour chart. And now we can see what? We can see that there's actually a couple of lines. Let me take that off the screen there. Let me take that off the screen. Now look what's happening through here. So now what I'll be looking for is let's actually see if we can maybe rally up. Let's actually see if we can start to get this. And I come back down, maybe a bit of and then start to rally up. If we can get something like this on gold, that could be this here could be the start of a breaking of an all-time new high. I really do believe that, because remember, this major low level here could be some sort of weekly major higher low. Then on the daily charts, we've got this major low level through here, which was what? A support. It broke down. This whole thing could be a big false breakout, okay? But then when we start to overlay that with the trend analysis, lower low. This could be some sort of a higher low, and if we start to break that, well, then we've got the head and shoulder formation. At least the projection would be up at 2000, but then I just see it's probably going to do something like that, and then away we go as well too. So here's a pattern that if this pattern forms on gold, we could be getting ready to make a very big move to the upside. So I hope this helps you out today, guys. If you need some help, very first link in the description, you can grab a free trading course. I've actually recently, last few weeks, I've recorded a brand new trading course, and I'm giving it away for free. Or if you need some, if you're looking for some trading systems, I'm doing a special right now, 4 trading systems for $4. Link in the description, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.